Pizza dip is the ultimate dip. It's the only other dip you probably want to make for your entire life. Okay, maybe that's a little exaggerative, but 4th of July is coming, graduations are coming, summer is just here, and the pizza dip is the ultimate thing to make. I love it. First, very simple, easy recipe. We're gonna take 2 blocks of your cream cheese right here. Now you're gonna make sure they're thawed, okay? Because you don't want them to be all hard and cold going into your bowl. You want to make sure they are thawed out. And you can, if you're in a hurry, you didn't plan ahead, throw it in the microwave, 15 seconds. Touch it with your finger and make sure it's soft. But you just want soft cream cheese. 2 blocks will make it do you. Real simple and easy. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put in probably a 1/4 cup of milk. 2% whole milk. You can do buttermilk, you can do heavy cream, you can do pretty much anything like those. I'm gonna do 2%, that's what we had in the refrigerator. We go with what's in the refrigerator. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in our mozzarella cheese. Now don't use the whole thing. You're gonna do about a half bag of this small family-sized bag of mozzarella cheese. And then we're gonna go on and throw in our Italian seasoning. That's right, let's get that lathered up with Italian seasoning. Because you want pizza dip. That's what you're gonna wanna do here. So go ahead and we're just gonna mix it. Just take your spoon, go in here, mix it all together, get it nice and mixed. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put this in a cast iron pan that's gonna fit inside the Leggero pizza oven. But let's mix this together. Okay, we got our mixture here. We're gonna smooth it out in the cast iron from Blackstone. Now they sell this on blackstoneproducts.com. Use code BigPuffinEats if you want a discount for your Leggero, or if you're just gonna buy a Leggero or you're gonna buy anything. Get a discount for being part of my community. Also check out BigPuffinEats.com. I got a lot of free stuff on the website. The website's officially launched. But let me show you how to spread this in here, real simple and easy. We got our cast iron, and we're just gonna take our spreader from our living room or our kitchen or wherever our spreader is, probably the kitchen. I'm gonna take our spreader from the kitchen. We're gonna put it in our cast iron. Let's get everything out of this bowl. And the cool thing about this cast iron, it comes with a handle. I'll show you in a second. But we're gonna put that all in there and we're gonna smooth this out. And it's kind of it's a deep dish pizza cast iron pan. So it can take the heat and it's deeper in here so we can layer stuff. We're gonna smooth that out, make it nice and easy. Get it every corner covered. We don't want it chunky. We want it as smooth as we can make it because we're gonna layer this on top. Once layered, now we're gonna put on our pizza sauce. I use the Classico. I like the roasted garlic. I think that's really nice. Tastes really good. You can use whatever you like. This is what I use, but you can choose whatever you like on that. It's chunkier. You can make your own if you want. I like a generous helping of that. And then we're gonna go ahead and spread it on our pizza dip. Now, real simple and easy. Just make sure it's all covered. We get this little corner bag here. We want every part of our dip covered with sauce, because we want it saucy. We don't want it dry, right? All right, we're covered. Simple, right? Now we're gonna put on our cheese layer. One more type of cheese, because cheese is good. We like cheese for our dip. And we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle on our mozzarella. That's what we're gonna do here. Mozzarella, gonna go right on top. That creaminess. You can do fresh grated if you like. I went the easy route and just grabbed a bag from the local store that's already pre-grated, but you choose your poison. I like things doing quick here at the house. I got a lot of kids running around. We want to make things quick and painless. Your topping though, I'm going with traditional pepperoni. I think pepperoni is the way to go. We're gonna go traditional pepperoni. We're gonna lay this thing up with pepperonis. Put a ton of them on here. They taste good, they feel good. You could use chicken, you could use sausage, you could use, don't use pineapple. If you're a pineapple lover in pizza, let me know in the comments below because I want everybody to bash you. No, I'm just kidding. Pineapple doesn't belong on pizza. That's my opinion. I'm not a big person with it, don't like it, but there's some people out there that do like it. It's just not me. All right, gotta lather that up with pepperoni. I like sausage as well, maybe a mushroom or a black olive. This way, we're gonna do it this way. There we go. Now we got it covered in pepperoni. You might think we're done. We're not done. I saved a little bit more cheese to sprinkle on top of the pepperoni, right? So you just do a little, just let it drizzle, just let it drop. There you go, look, wherever it lands, it's artsy. It's artsy, it feels good. There you go. Now, one more ingredient, back to the Italian seasoning, right on top of that. All right, I told you about the handle. This thing right here, cast iron handles. Goes into the pizza oven so you don't burn yourself. Real simple and easy. Clip on, go right into the pizza oven. There we go. Yep, and it's hot in there. We got it about, we look at about 400 degrees. Now we're gonna hit the little spinner, then let it spin. Okay, we're gonna close this bad boy up, let it cook for about 5 minutes and come back and check on it. If it's bubbly, we're pulling it out. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's check on this thing. I'm pretty sure it is good to go. Nice little fancy handle. Get that in there so we don't burn ourselves. Oh yeah, look at this. That's what it's supposed to look like. Definitely bubbly. Comes with a little piece to set it on as well. So a little bubbly, a little hot, too hot to eat. We're gonna spin it, let it sit and simmer about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we can serve it up with our garlic bread, our chips. We're gonna taste this bad boy. Taste test this thing. We got some chips, got some wavy lays, my favorite. We're gonna taste it right here. It's been about 8 minutes. We're gonna, oh, I broke the chip. That's how strong this is. Oh yeah. Look at that dip. Let's eat that. Oh my gosh, this is so good. If you like recipes like this, go ahead and click or touch the screen now. I'll catch you in the next cook.